Can an AI write a perfect apology email in seconds? Let's find out. I built an email writing assistant using Claude Artifacts, and you'll be surprised how human it sounds. With Claude Artifacts, you can literally build AI-powered mini apps just by describing what you want. No code, no complexity, just your ideas, instantly turned into smart tools. And today on AI Simplified, we'll make one that writes your emails for you in seconds. Now, here's how it all comes together. On the Claude homepage, I go straight to Artifacts. It's like a library of AI tools where you can try existing ones or create something completely new. Time to make our own. I'm clicking Create New Artifact to build the email drafting assistant completely from scratch. I give Claude its role. You are an email drafting assistant. Write clear, polished emails tailored to the user's purpose, recipient, and tone. In seconds, it understands the task, sets up the structure, and turns that single instruction into a working tool. Once saved, the artifact is instantly ready to use. No coding, no setup. I'm waiting for Claude to finish building, and wow, it's working faster than a rocket. You can literally see lines of code flying by, and just like that, our email assistant is ready. Okay, one more test. Imagine you need to ask your manager for a day off. I'll have the assistant write a professional vacation request email for the 22nd. And boom, with just one click, my email's ready to copy and send. The best part? You can build and publish this yourself, completely free. Want to try it out? The link's in the description. Subscribe to AI Simplified and discover more AI tools that actually make life simpler.